everyone, today we are going to start the second chapter of history, that is from trade to territory. Okay, so let's start. From trade, the meaning of from trade is from business to war. From business to war means the topic for the meaning for the topic is the British come to the India for a simple business, but they distract to the business and then started the territory and war to the India. Okay, so there are some main points. So the first point is Diwani is right to collect land revenue. Okay, what is called as Diwani? Diwani is a right to collect land revenue. Tipu Sultan is called as Tiger of Mysore. Okay. Rani Channama led an anti-British movement in Kittur. Okay. Rani Channama led an anti-British. Antivirus means a thing to kill virus. So it is a movement to kill British. Anti-British movement in Kittur. Kittur is a place. The British conquest of Bengal began with the battle with Plassey. Means the war with the Bengal of British began with the battle with Plassey. Okay, battle with Plassey. Okay, so the next point is Haidar Ali and the Tipu Sultan were the rulers of Mysore. Okay, Haidar Ali and Tipu Sultan were the rulers of Mysore. Maratha kingdoms were located mainly in the northern part of India, means Rajasthan side. Okay. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the ruler of Punjab. Okay, Maharaja Ranjit Singh was the ruler of Punjab. Let's take some questions. First is, what attracted European trading companies to India? Cheap land, cheap and skilled labor, cheap and good quality raw material, and divided and intra-fight ruler and princes. Okay. So these are some points to distract the British from trade to territory. Okay. Next is, what were the area of conflict between the Bengal Nawabs and the East India Company? What were the area of conflict between the Bengal Nawabs? You know the meaning of Nawab? The meaning for the Nawab is you can say that Nawabs is also called as Nabobs, and the meaning of Nawabs is the symbol of power and authority, as the British call the Nawab. So, what were the area of conflict between the Bengal Nawabs and East India Company? East India Company has Britishers. Okay. First part is concessions to company. Demand of large tributes from the company. Denial of right to minting coins. Stoppage of fortification expansion. Deprivation of Bengal from huge amounts of revenue. Undermining the authority of Nawab. Refusal of payment of taxes by the company. Writing of disrespectful letters by the company, trying to humiliate the Nawabs and his officials. Enlargements of settlements by the company, buying villages and rebuilding of forests. So, thank you. Meet you in the second part of this video.